Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15 on MX Linux 25.2. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with MX Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Tor Browser official website. It is torproject.org. Click on download Tor Browser or click on this download Tor Browser, both are same. Then click on download for Linux. See, download started and its size is about 131 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we'll unzip this file and we'll execute the Tor browser. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads, ls, and tar this file, tar-xf. Then tar, press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. ls, now go to this Tor browser folder. ls, now execute this file. Don't run with sudo or root account. Just give start for /start, then press the tab, hit enter. See, you got the Tor browser. Connect to Tor. Just click on connect Tor. Want to connect always automatically, just turn on and click on connect. See, it is establishing connection. Help about Tor browser. See, we have installed 15.0. Okay, it is establishing connections. So in this video we have seen how to install Tor browser latest version, that is 15.0.14 on MX Linux. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.